I'm Keri, founder of KeriKit, versatile bags for busy lifestyles. Today I wanted to do a little video just to kind of give you an overview about our range, and I'm going to start today with the Joy. So the Joy is probably one of our signature backpacks. We've now got it in a number of different leathers and materials. This is the new tech denim, so it's a vegan leather trim and it's a waterproof lined tech denim outer body. And then this is the leather. So this one's sold out at the moment, but we will be getting it back in for autumn winter. You've got your two-way zips on the top of the bags. You've got this handy little pocket right at the top. You've got a front pocket that's just separated from the rest of the bag. You've got two pockets on the outside that you can put bottles in, and you've got two on the inside. I'm going to dive right in and show you a little bit about the interior in a minute, but today's video is more about explaining to you who I think this bag would be really suitable for and what makes this bag different from the other bags in the range. So the front pockets are all the same on all of our bags where there is a front pocket in terms of layout. So even if you do switch between them, you feel that you've got that easy organisation straight away because you kind of get to know the layout of the KeriKit bag. So in the front section here, we've got an area to put some cards, some pens and an elasticated pocket that's just really useful for anything like hand cream, smaller items such as earrings, meds, plasters, you name it. You've just got a really nice little pocket there to keep everything. I tend to then put my phone in the front if it's a safe location. So for me, this is a great bag if you want to be hands-free. If you're a new parent, then I would say this is great as a number one child. It's also great if you're on number two, number three, and number four, because the more kids you have, obviously the more hands that you need, and with only two hands, you need to keep them both free. So when this is on your back, I'll just give you a little example of it now, so you can see what it looks like. So I've got three children now. They are 4 and 6 years of age. Two of them are twins, Charlie and Ariella, and then Jasper, who's nearly 7. When I go out for a day with them, we go to the park, this is the bag I would generally take. I can fit 2 large water bottles on the outside because my kids are now out of milk and they're onto juice. So we take 2 big gin bottles on the outside. I have snacks, I have changes of clothes, wipes and everything on the inside of the bag, and I can just carry it around all day just really comfortably. We have our award-winning Joy. Two-way zips with locks on both the front pocket and the main pocket means that you can carry this through cities, keep it locked up and safe when you don't want anyone to get access to the bag. Beautiful on the outside, but wait till you get inside where the magic happens. The functionality in this bag is beautiful. We've got the zip top pocket, multi-use bag that we have on all our KeriKit pieces, and then inside you've got a really easy view into the bag. You've got your keys holder here at the back, you've got your security pocket, you've got the integrated laptop sleeve here. Now we would suggest it goes up to a 12 or a 13-inch laptop. I have known people to fit a 14-inch in there, so it's probably best to ask me before you make this purchase if you have a bigger laptop, and then I can advise you. Inside though, we've got our standard 2 elasticated pockets at the front, we've got the waterproof lining throughout, and we've got the 2 bottle holders on either side which are insulated. So hopefully that gives you a really nice view inside our award-winning Joy. So that's the Joy, and as I said, we have it in the vegan and we have it in the leather as well. I hope that you found that useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can always drop me an email at contact@kerikit.com. We are on Facebook as well, and we're on Instagram. On Instagram you can send me a direct message, it's me that runs it, so I will answer all your questions. Another way to get in touch, which is really exciting, is we have a new Facebook group which is called the KeriKit Kit Girl Community. If you do a search on there, you can come. It's a closed group where we offer support, we offer advice. If you have any questions about the bag, we have lots of other people on there that are like brand ambassadors that have the bags, and they can give you their honest opinion before you make a purchase. And that's kind of it really from me. I really hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time to watch this video, and do pop by on my website kerikit.com to see the full range. Bye bye!